Hello and welcome back to Hanging with the Hills. So my name is Chanel. Thank you for stopping by. So in our last video I showed you guys this planner kit in a haul video. So we are about to dig into this planner and to see what it's all about. Alright, so now we're going to dig right into this kit. So like I showed you guys before, I bought these little stickers here. They're not the price, but I only paid 50 cents for these. So let's go ahead and get into this kit here. So this planner, it includes a 12-month planner, 12 dividers, 5 sticker sheets, 5 sticky notes. Okay, they're sticky notepads, and 3 magnet clips. Alright, so on top here we have the stickers. This one is so pretty right here. That one is pretty. I like this sticker right here. I'm not bossy. I'm the boss. I like that one. Ooh, these are pretty too, and I love butterflies. That one's so pretty. Then here we have numbers. So I'm assuming you have to fill in the dates yourself. So we got 3 of those sheets there. Then next here we have the planner, and as you can see, the discs are the same as the Happy Planner. They have the little heart disc. I wonder if Mambi actually makes this. So far this is so pretty. Alright, so if you're curious, this is actually the back of the box. And it shows you everything that's in the kit itself, which is very, very nice. So let's go ahead and get into this. So right here we have our little, I call these dashboards, but it comes with like a little dashboard with little sticky notes already on here, so that's super, super nice and convenient. Then right here we got our little magnet bookmarks. Did I say that right? Magnet bookmarks. These are like really, really cute. That one's a rose. I'm gonna love this one. I'm gonna love that one. Then you have this one here that says love on both sides. And then this one here is a heart. That's nice. And next we're going to turn to the first page right here. I like what it says. It says think happy. I'm not really into purple, but this is a very nice cover. And if you didn't know, they actually have more kits in this. This was just the one that I picked up. So this is the inside cover of it, and I like that. That's nice. There we go. So I zoomed you guys in some so you guys can see a little bit more detail on here. So this is a 2018-2019 planner, and it starts off in September. Alright, so it starts off in September. So let's go ahead. Mind you, today is actually September 3rd that I'm filming this. So I got some catching up to do. So when you open it up, it does have a full calendar of here from January 2018 to December 2019. So that's nice. It's very, very nice. So right in here you have July, August, September. You have August birthdays, projects, monthly goals. Currently, it has reading, planning, watching, cooking, eating, drinking, penning, crafting, going, loving, dreaming, feeling, listening, celebrating. Special events, important dates. And then right here it says, don't call it a dream, call it a plan. Ooh, I like that. I like that. So this is for the month of August. So that was August. So let's just see what it looks like. Alright. Here we go. The whole month spread. This is nice. I'm not sure if I like the fact that this is already colored, because I do like playing with my stickers. But I think I can work with this. I think I can. Oh, so this is the layout. So this is a weekly layout, and it goes like this. Okay, alright, we can work with this. I'm not sure if some of my stickers I already currently own will work, but because these are kind of small and narrow, But you can have some fun with these. So you put their dates at the top with these number ones that came. So at the back of the planner is just this one sheet that says notes on it, and it happens to be behind the last week of July 2019 that I'm going to use it as. It's just one little page of the notes. So in the next part of this video, you guys are just gonna see me start setting up September and the first week of September. So I know this video will be going up kind of late, but I'm going to put it up anyway. So let me just go ahead and get started and stop talking.